Shape, line, form, transparency and translucency, all words that describe aspects of the visual language I try to explore in my work. I draw to make me look and to imprint my memory as well as to record things that I see, choosing things that visually excite me. It may be an object from somewhere like the Pitt Rivers Museum, or sculpture here at Goodwood, or a seed pod from the garden. The physical working of materials is important to me. Pieces go on developing through the making process, from the selecting of the material to make the piece to the surface finish. The drawing is the starting point, but the making is part of the design process too. I choose to make working materials as apparently diverse as plastics and precious metals because of their individual qualities and characteristics. I particularly love the combination of silver and clear acrylic. Alongside my own work, I also teach short courses at West Dean College near Chichester. Teaching challenges me to continually improve my skills, communicating my experience and problem solving with students to help them realise their ideas refreshes and stimulates my enthusiasm, which feeds back into my own work. Making can be quite a lonely activity, although I exhibit with the Designer Jewellers group and I value the interaction I have with other makers and with the students. I also make work to commission, which is a very different sort of challenge, working with a customer who sometimes has a very clear idea of what they want, and others who are much more open to suggestion. Sometimes the research for a piece sends me off in a completely new direction. The work I've been making in polypropylene came out of a commission. Working in this material has intrigued me to develop the ideas further. The penannular brooch form is one that I have explored and developed continually for most of my career now. I find the fastening particularly satisfying as it becomes an integral part of the form rather than being a purely functional addition. The piece no longer has a front and a back, but can be worn either way. Some are reversible, so one side is different to the other. Penannular brooches are found in the history of many cultures, from the giant Celtic thistle brooch in the British Museum to North African Tuareg double penannulars to tiny Indian ones, some dating back thousands of years. Being part of that history, still using skills and many of the same tools that jewellers have used for generations, is a fascinating part of being a contemporary maker, as well as all the new opportunities that new technologies and materials open up to us.